With a sleek look, a cool case, some epic sound quality and a design focused on comfort, the Acefit Pro open earbuds offer a great listening experience on top of some great safety, so hit subscribe now and we'll check them out. So full disclosure before we get started though, the video is sponsored by Acefast and they've sent me the Acefit Pro to showcase to you guys. So here we have the Acefit Pro in their case, and I have to say I'm a fan of the transparent case with the LED lighting, and I think it's a sleek, sophisticated look. Now I've got the grey version here, but they also come in a few other colour options, so you can pick one that suits your preference. But you can see we've got the violet LED on the inside, and then on the top it even shows us the battery level of the earbuds, and this is the first time I've seen this on the case. Now if we take the buds out of the case, you can see the design follows through to the earbuds themselves, and again they're simple yet sleek. We've actually got this transparent window around the Acefast logo, and this lets you see the circuitry behind it. And the Acefast logo also lights up with a breathing animation, and not only does this look cool, but it's also going to help you be seen in the dark, which is a great safety benefit for runners and cyclists at night. Now the earbuds are also very lightweight, coming in at just 7.8 grams, and this is actually even lighter than the 8.4 grams Shox Open Fit that we reviewed recently. And the lightweight, along with the smooth, supermolecular liquid silicone, makes them very comfortable to wear even for long periods of time. And I'm not joking when I say you can barely feel them on your ear. Now of course, arguably the most important factor is the sound quality, and thanks to a 20x8mm triple magnet speaker and a 0.5mm large amplitude, they sound great. Now across all genres, everything just sounds nice and clean. We've got some nice mids and some crisp highs, and a nice balanced sound overall. Now open headphones don't produce deep thumping bass due to the nature of the technology, but the best way to describe it on these is that the bass is still there with a punch. It's just not a really low frequency, but it does provide a nice balanced sound. Now they go nice and loud without distortion, and their max volume is actually too loud for me to listen to, so I normally drop it back to about 60 or 70%. And the only thing I would say is that there's a very slight bit of noise you can hear at max volume if there's no music playing. Now as I said, around 60 to 70% volume has been perfect for me, as everything is loud and clear, but I can still hear a bit of the outside world around me when I'm running. Now they use Bluetooth 5.4, which gives them a 10-meter transmission distance, and they've consistently played flawlessly during my testing, and I've not had a single disconnect, and they use the SBC and the AAC protocol for the audio. Now they're also IP54 water resistant, and this means it's protected from dust and splashes in any direction, and it means that they're suitable for activities like running in the rain, but don't take them swimming. Now each earbud also has a 60 mAh battery capacity, and this can deliver around 6 hours of audio at the average listening volume, and because the charging case also has a 500 mAh battery, this gives you a total playback time of around 25 hours. And thankfully, if your buds ever do run out of battery, then a 10-minute charge in the case is going to give you a further 2 hours of music playback, and the case is charged via the USB-C port on the bottom. The Acefast logo on each side not only lights up, but there are also touch buttons that allow you to control your music, and you can do things like talk to Google Assistant, and this is fully customizable in the application. So if I open up the app to show you, you can see we can pick the left or the right earbud and then choose the action for single press, double press, triple press, and even long press. And the options are things like play pause, next track or previous track, volume up and volume down, as well as accessing your mobile assistant. And if you tap the earbud 4 times, it's also going to turn that breathing light on or off. Now we can also do plenty more in the mobile app, like turn the lighting effect on or off for those times that you want it. And finally, we can change the sound to your preference. We've got preset EQs like human voice, live, bass boost, and then we've even got a custom EQ section. And this is great as we get an 8-band equalizer to adjust to your exact taste. Now being Bluetooth headphones, you can also use them for phone calls. And to be honest, it's just a pleasure to use for hands-free phone calls, as you don't even feel the earbuds on your ear at all. And the human voices come through nice and clear with this technology, and the people I was speaking to also had no complaints with my audio quality either. Now if we head over to the unboxing, you can see the packaging is just as sleek as the earbuds themselves. And if I tear this pull tab, it gives me access to the actual box. So let's go ahead and open it up. And first of all, we've got the USB-C cable, which as you can see is also grey to match my earbuds in case. We then got the instruction manuals, and then finally we've got the Acefit Pro earbuds already in their case. So if you're after some new earbuds and prefer the safety and comfort of an open fit design, then I highly recommend checking out the Acefit Pro. They look great, they sound great, and even better, they're incredibly comfortable to wear. Now, of course, I've placed a link down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out now. And it's actually a Kickstarter campaign, but of course, it's always a much safer back when the units are already in production like these ones. And Acefast isn't a new company either, and they've actually been supplying audio products for 15 years to over 100 different countries, so they know what they're doing. They've just chosen to launch these on Kickstarter. But hopefully I've covered everything for you guys in today's video, and as always, if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.